Hello, my beautiful people. On this day, we decided to go on vacation because one of the things I love most is when I'm traveling. I love to travel a lot. So I decided to take my family on vacation. Although it was a stressful day because we were at the airport, we waited for so long because the flight was kind of delayed, but finally the flight was here, so we hop in. So we were waiting for the flight to board. So after a long time, after so many hours being wasted at the airport, my wife was kind of tired. But she still had the energy to say hello, guys. So I was also tired. Even my boy was just looking outside to see what is going on. Why is the flight not moving? But finally, the flight took off. So it was amazing seeing the view at night, seeing the city at night. It was kind of beautiful, but because we left very late at night, so hoping to get to our destination the following morning. Here is my son. He slept off because he was so tired, but my wife was still awake because she was scared, because when the flight was trying to take off, the wind was too much, so the flight was waving, so she was not kind of comfortable. But finally, we are getting close to our destination, and it's already morning because we left at night. It was dark, everywhere was dark, but before we get to our destination, it was already morning. So finally we got to our destination and the flight is about to land. It was amazing seeing the city from above. It was a beautiful view. The city is surrounded by water because they have a beautiful beach. So welcome to the city of Nice. What a beautiful city. So I was waiting to get down from the plane because I was kind of tired.
Merci d'avoir choisi Volotel. Nous espérons vous revoir très bientôt. Dear passengers, welcome to Nice Côte d'Azur Airport, where we have the...
After a long day, a long time being spent on the flight and at the airport, But finally, here we are. So finally, we got to our destination. This is baby Eva. She's so cute. Wow, with my beautiful wife. So at night, we decided to go around the city of Nice, to see how beautiful it is at night. Because mostly I like to see the night view of a city and the day view of a city, But Nice is a city mostly for the tourists because it is surrounded with water. It has a lot of beach, so tourists always like to go to this place to have fun. You will love it mostly if you visit Nice during the summer period. Oh my God, there is a lot of fun in Nice, mostly during the summer, because there are a lot of music, a lot of parties area, a lot of music in every corner, because this place is surrounded with water. So a lot of tourists from different countries, from different places do come to this place to have fun, and the weather in Niceville is so amazing, where I really spent a good time in Nice. It was really beautiful. I enjoyed myself with the time I spent there. I hope to go there again, So here it is. Oh. Hey, monsieur. Yeah, guys, I told you Nice is a very beautiful area, and I love being close to the water. We are at the seaside, and I love to hear the sound of the water. It makes me feel cool, It was an amazing time spent here. It was really amazing. I love the view.
If you get my voice,
That is Mama Eva, one of
these.
these.
Fit up this voice. Hey, see, this auntie don't get too. You don't see cruising with baby on your back.
Oh,
That
no
kind of
level.
auntie.
See Anna.
With hot one on the road.
This is Odogu.
You go share Messi.
We are
You
outside.
like it? No, bring a cup back home and Messi.
And this is BWG. My one and only. This is Evil. Evil. Cheese.
Cheese.
Move, move. M.O.
Smile. Look at them. Look. You must bring that two finger in the air. This one not the sleep.
No.
Tout mon programme est du pain.